I'm going to give you a word. Every sound that you hear, you're going to lower a chip, okay? We're going to be doing some words that have silent E and some words that don't. So you're going to have to decide if you have to bring down the orange chip that says E, okay? So just listen for now. If I said the word ride, we would go ride. Do I need to lower my orange chip?
No. Yes.
I, long or short?
Long.
Long. So do we need magic E?
Yes.
Yes, so we would lower that down. Then we're going to tap it out. I, ride, I'd, ride. Then guess what? We're gonna write it, okay? So we're gonna write it. We're gonna go. That's fine. We're gonna go. I'd. Then I'm gonna challenge you a little bit, and I'm gonna say, take off the letter that makes the sound. What should I erase?
The R.
R. And make this the word slide. What do I need to do?
S. L.
L. Slide.